In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Airtable via Zapier. This process allows you to automate your workflow seamlessly, ensuring that every form submission on Paperform is captured and recorded in your Airtable database without any manual input. Let's dive in and take a look at how this works. First, let's get started by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, you will want to look at the top right corner of your dashboard and click on Create Zap. This is where everything begins. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. In this case, it bridges Paperform and Airtable. After you click on Create Zap, you'll set your trigger. The trigger is an event that's needed to start the workflow. For our purpose, we need to choose Paperform as the app and new form submission as the trigger event. This means anytime there's a new submission on one of your Paperform forms, this Zap will initiate. You'll then need to connect your Paperform account. Upon connecting, Zapier will ask you to select the specific form you're interested in monitoring. Choose the form you want to automate responses from. Once you've got your trigger set, it's time to define the action. This is what happens after your trigger kicks off. Select Airtable as the application for this action. The action event you want here is create record. Think of it like telling Zapier, every time someone submits this form, create a corresponding record in my Airtable. Now you'll need to connect your Airtable account. Simple login will suffice for this step. After your Airtable account is linked, choose the base and the table where these records should be stored. An important part of this step is mapping the fields from your Paperform submission to the fields in your Airtable database. Essentially, you're mapping where each piece of data should end up. Make sure these align correctly to keep your data organized. With your trigger and action set, it's crucial to test your Zap. Before you actually start using it, you want to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Run a test to see if the data transfers correctly from Paperform to Airtable. This step is about verifying that all connections are accurate and the automation acts as expected. After a successful test, you can confidently turn on your Zap. This last step automates the whole process, meaning every new submission on the selected Paperform will automatically generate a new record in Airtable. From here on out, your workflow will be seamlessly connected, freeing up time and reducing the potential for human error. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can connect Paperform to Airtable using Zapier, taking advantage of the powerful automation this integration offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.